Hey peeps! I'm gonna be sharing a simple dish today. It's called beef salpicao. It's a quick and easy appetizer, or you can even make it an ulam that you can enjoy. It's a Spanish-inspired Filipino dish. Parang beef stir-fry siya with lots and lots of garlic. Well, for me, I really want lots and lots of garlic. Anyways, this will take about an hour to prepare, including the time that we marinate the beef. So, yeah. Very easy. Alrighty, let's get it started. So for our ingredients, there's half a kilo beef sirloin cut into cubes, 6 to 8 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup butter, 2 tablespoon olive oil for marinade, 3 tablespoon olive oil for cooking, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, 5 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoon oyster sauce. To marinate, we have to defrost the beef. It should be at room temperature already. So we combine beef, salt, pepper, garlic, and we mix them well. We let it stand for around 10 minutes. Afterwards, we add the olive oil and then let it stand for 30 minutes. So now we start cooking. So we have to have the pan heated, high heat. Once it's already hot, we put the marinated beef with the combined ingredients. So we have to sear the beef until color brown. After which, we add the oyster sauce and Worcestershire sauce. When it's all dried up, we have to put in the butter and cook for 2 to 3 minutes more. You may add toasted garlic on top, and then we transfer it to a serving plate to serve hot. Happy eating! Wow! So that's about it. I hope you learned and enjoyed it. Alrighty? Yep, thanks for watching. Until my next foodie upload, see you then. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!